Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Ito po ay ang Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog is week 3 of Rick week 3 Idol Kids. But subscribe to our YouTube channel, mag-likes, shares, comments, at views. Buti ng 500 if supported natin sa ating social media ka. Today's vlog 352, episode 352, entitled Idol Kids PH Week 3 Recap. And here's your vlog. Okay, panoorin natin ang highlights. Ayan, this week bukas ay sino sa Idol Hopefuls, Kiddie Hopefuls ay marinig at ngamahig sa mga judges. Dahil bago yan, makakaroon ng last week's recap on Work It or Work It and Game On for more. For the Work Saturday episode, meron ding goodbye, meron ding, di ba? May na-out ng dalawa. Okay? Dalawa lang out. Aliana, ang beauty queen, gusto ko maging Miss Universe, pero out na siya. And MJ, na para Michael Jackson. Pero, nakapasok pala sila Alina, Alexis, at Cheska, or Francesca. Galing. Kaya, nanggawa kasi na na trabaho, paglaki mo. Congratulations pala, nakapasok na sa next round. Congrats! O, diba? Huwag kang mahihain, okay? Yan. Huwag ka na mahihain. Pasok na kayo. And for the Game On episode of Idol Kids. Ayan. Sa mga hindi ko alam, Idol Kids PH ito, hindi yung pang hiya-hiya. Up na po yung Jarel and Yara. Yung kay Yara pala, may whistle. Ang tanong kung bakit. Bakit na whistle sa aking kanila? Medyo na okay lahat sa kanila ay fight lang until you succeed. Hopefully next time, sa next season of Idol Kids. But nakapas na sila Ethan, Julia, at Sophie sa ating next level. Yan ay middle round. As of now, bago yan, yung guys sinabi ko last week, yung responsible sa gaming or paglaro ng video games sa cellphone, gadgets, responsibilities at timing ng mga magulang. Kaya, be responsible talaga. Kasi si Ethan, naglaro palagi ng games, pero 1 hour lang yan, And finally, mapapag-game on na collectible na ginagawa siyang bracelet for judges. Kalagi Sophie. Salamat as congratulations as of now. 22 ang nakapasok. Yun. Hopefully see you tomorrow for Idol Kids Philippines on A to Z and TV5. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye. God bless.